right, Mike, what have you been doing all day?
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Getting ready for the garden party. So just setting up some displays, hanging pennants, just kind of going through all the promotions and making sure that we're ready to go for tomorrow. Getting ready for a big event, hopefully.
What's been happening behind the scenes of the garden center lately? Anything new or anything you're working on that's kind of been taking up most of your time?
Always lots of different things. This week kind of got a little bit more involved with our loyalty program, which is our Garden Rewards program. Garden Rewards was established many years ago, decades ago, and it's our loyalty program for our customers to reward them for shopping with us throughout the year. But a big part of that is our rebate program, or our rewards program, where we reward you at the end of the year for your total purchases. And it's always been done in a way where we mail out all of our rewards to our customers. This year we are changing that because technology has increased and we're trying to keep up with that and do more with the technology to help us. You know, it saves a lot of time. I mean, we're sitting there stuffing, 6,000 envelopes to send out to our best customers. And that takes time and labor and there's issues that can occur there. So we want it to be on their accounts, in our system, so that we can track it better and I think it'll be more valuable to the customer that way. So that's what I kind of dove into this week, was trying to make sure that that all works and that we kind of understand how it works. And make sure that when we make it go live, it's going to work for our customers, because it's time for those rewards to go back to our customer now. I think it's very beneficial to keep advancing as technology gets better. A lot of times we get, I think, very used to what we're in, and our system is something that can do a lot of different things for us. Whether it involves, coupons being printed on receipts, or tracking our loyalty points or our Garden Rewards points and figuring out dollars. It only helps us get better to serve our customers. I'm always, willing to pounce on it and say, let's move forward and let's keep up with the times.
Now, we kind of had an unexpected turn with the weather this past week. It really just dropped out of nowhere.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't have a frost on the south side in Virginia Beach and Chesapeake, but we definitely got close to having a light frost in the Williamsburg area, so some of our markets. Now, the good news is we're always prepared for that. We had frost cloth out, we protected our plants. I actually filmed a little segment with Channel 3 WTKR, the news channel, to kind of, help all the people in the area say, hey, if you just freshly planted some basil, or you've got sweet potato vine, or maybe some tender annuals out there, you might want to cover them up just for that one night. It was really just one night. But yeah, Mother Nature throws us a curveball from time to time. Internally, it certainly creates some issues. We've got product that's sitting in our distribution center that we normally would send out, and we're holding that back. Here at Independence and at Great Neck, we had to rack up a bunch of stuff and bring it back in. So you put the product out, now you're bringing it back in, and then you got to put it back out the next day, and then some of it came back in the next night. So it just consumes time and labor. All the while you're trying to set up for a big sales event this weekend, and worried about the weather and whether it's going to be a successful event. So it puts a strain on the staff, and puts a strain on us. But we've been through it many times. It's not new to us. Taxes are due soon, so we knew this is a possibility. I always say tax day is an easy day to remember because that's our frost date, right around there. And this year we got pretty close to having a pretty late frost. Good news is it looks like that's in the past now. Looks like we've got clear sailing from here on out. So hopefully that's the last time we pick up, 45% of our inventory and put it on racks and bring it into a greenhouse and then have to put it all back out again. We certainly want to have some sunshine and some nice weather and have some great sales and be there to help our customers, so that we're not running around trying to protect our plant material. But that's what we're known for, is quality. And so we put as much effort into keeping our plants high quality as we do into our customer service and into our events and all of the other daily activities that we have going on here.